Now what you do is, everything here belongs to this. This is the universal set. It shows that everything here will sum up to the universal set. That's one thing you should note about Venn diagram. Everything in the set, both the one outside this, the point where these two are meeting, that's X, is their intersection, what they have in common. The addition of this and this is the union. Now, when you have this, and whatever you have outside of them, still within this rectangle, everything will sum up to this universal set. So when you draw your Venn diagram, which we'll see in the next question, you will sum them up to give you. But what I want you to note is the notation. You see this one, only this, let's call this one A, let's call this one B. You see this 3s minus 1, it is A only, A only. So you watch out when they use the word only. If they don't use the word A is 36, you will not put it. It means that 36 belongs to A and B. Until you see A only. So this is A only, and A only means what it means. There's no B inside. What is? Do you see? Is there B inside there? There's no B, so it's going to be A intersection B prime. A intersection B prime. So we prime B, and that's what 3x minus 1. You come here, this is B only, which is A prime intersection B, means that A is not part of it, and that is 5x minus 2. Why this one is A intersection B equals x. Now, universal set is x. So you now tell you that this one, A intersection B prime, number of A intersection B prime plus number of A prime intersection B plus number of A intersection B equals universal set. That's everything here. Okay, we have this, which is 3x minus 1 plus this one 5x minus 2 plus this one x equals this one 8x. So we have 3x plus 5x plus x. Brings 8x here becomes minus 8x equals brings minus 1 here becomes 1, brings minus 2 here becomes plus 2. So 3s plus 5s, 8x. 8s minus 8x goes remaining s equals 3. So that's what we're asked to solve. We're asked to look for x. So x equals 3. Please write. So this A union B prime, sorry, union. That's how we solve questions like this. What's the next question? So let's look at the second question. In a class of 45 students, 32 offered physics, 28 offered government, and 12 did not offer any of the two subjects. Question 1, draw the Venn diagram to represent this information. Then 2, how many offer both physics and government? And 3, what is the number of P union B? So let's go. And this is how we start question like this. In a class of 45 students, that is total. Universal set is 45. Please pay attention. 32 offer physics. Did you see only there? Did you see only there? You just write P equals 32. At the end offer government, did you see only there? G equals 28. And 12 did not offer any. Now, any means outside there. So if you add P and G. Remove them from the reversal set. That is, so N is going to be number of P union G prime. Means that P is not there, G is not there. You know, remember I told you prime is remove it from the remove it. So when you say we've removed P and G, so they did not, 12 did not offer any. 12 did not offer physics and government. So remove physics and government from the whole universe. That's prime. Remove. Now, what you now do is this. What I'm giving you, the first thing you check out for is the intersection between these two sets. Number that offer both. So N bracket P intersection G equals X. Did they give us this? The number of straight that offer both, or did they give us? No. That's intersection G. That's what the first find. Now you draw your Venn diagram this way. Watch out. There are two sets. You draw 1 and 2. This is your P and this is your G. Then the universal set is here equals 45. Now you put your X here. You now come and say everything here is P. Do you see that? That's what 32. Do you see why they did not say only? Do you see it now? Watch this. When you got here, you see that G was part of it. Do you see that? That's why they did not say only. It is now when you will now want to look for only. This is only. Oh yeah. Do you see that? So when we remove G completely, we have only. So we now tell them that number of P union G prime equals all this one P times 2. Remove X. 32 minus X. So this 32 minus X. The same thing here. They gave us G. G is 28. G means that everything here plus this aspect that physics also is sharing with this. Some physics students still offer government here. So what G only? So we have to remove this part that physics students are. Remove it. So remember this. Oh, this side alone means G only, and G only is going to be number of P prime. Remove union G. And that's what 28 minus X is 28 minus X. Then I said number that did not offer any of them. Where is it? That did not, which is there? 12. So you come here and put 12. So let's add them. You now come at this one. Number of P union G prime, that is one, plus this side. Number of P intersection G plus number of P prime union G plus this side. Number of P union G all prime equals universal set. So you put them down. This 32 minus X plus this one X plus 28 minus X plus 12 equals 45. So 32 plus 28 plus 12. Then minus X plus X goes. Then minus X equals 45. So what do we have here? This 40 plus this 72. 72 minus X equals 45. Bring minus X equals, bring 72 here, 45 minus 72. Minus X equals what? 45 minus 72 is what? 28, right?
17.
Not 17. 27 minus 27. So minus cancel, X equals 27. We found X. We've drawn the Venn diagram, which is question 1. They say how many over both subject, which is question 2. And we now have to find N, P, union G. Now, it means we have P union. Union means addition of everything. Addition of everything. So what we do is that we have to look for how many, what is P alone. P union G. Come here. Number of P alone, that is P union G prime equals 32 minus X. What's 32 minus what? What's x? 27. What would that be? 5. Then let's go to P alone. Then let's go to number of P prime union G. That's what 28 minus x. That's 28 minus 27. That's what 1. So we know this. We know this. Now say find number of P union G. We want to add everything here. This P union G. What's here? 27. This one is what? 5. This one is here 27. This one is what? 1. So it's added. It's going to give us 5 plus 27 plus 1, which is what? 33. So you know this everything here and here except outside. Intersection means only this part. But you know means everything here including here. So all we need to do is to find the value of x. So that we know what is here, what is here, what is here. So 6x 27, 2 minus 27 is 5, 20 minus 27 is 1, and this 27, add everything here, we have 2. This is how it is. So please write this one. Then let's go to the next question.